Tools needed: 3 quarts of 75W90 oil, torque wrench, 10mm hex bit, 10 and 12 bits. Raise the car and support it on jack stands to keep it level. I am using plastic ramps and jack stands. Remove all the screws of the underside panel to get access to the transmission. 10 and 12mm bits. Unscrew the filler plug first, then remove drain plug carefully. Watch me struggle. They are tight. Clean the leftover oil and the plugs. Also replace the washer crushers, 20mm. Then tighten to 37 pound-feet or 50 Nm. Refill the transmission oil until it starts dripping, 2.2 quarts approximately. I can already feel cleaner shifts.